McDonald's so tonight.
You do? Which one we get?
Chocolate.
More chocolate? Really? What the heck? How many chocolate are you talking about?
200.
200 again? I thought he wanted 2,000.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Talked him into 2,000. Oh, great. What else you gonna find?
More dish soap.
More dish soap. Well, Mom be happy about that, too. All right, then. Well, it's 12:41. We got out a little later because we had to charge our lights up. And it's about, I don't know, 64 degrees out. So it's not hot and it's not humid. So that makes it nice. All right, then. Well, let's go check them dumps and see what we can find. And here we go. Let's do this thing. All right, guys, we're at the dollar store. Check it out. Look at that charcoal down there. This is the first thing I seen, and it looks like there might be some other goodies in here too. That one feels kind of heavy on the bottom. We got a whole bag of charcoal just because it's got a couple little holes in it. Oh, got a couple candles. They smell good. They are aqua waves. Smell good. Oh yeah, she loves candles. Oh boy. Oh, guess what we found? Dish soap. We got dish soap. Mom's gonna be happy. Now we gotta find your chocolate. Oh boy. We got 2 bottles of dish soap. Oh, we got 3 bottles. Holy moly. 3 bottles of Dawn dish soap. Just because they have a little indentation in them. Which you could probably pop it out. You monkey around with it, but yeah, there's another one. And we got some Tidy Cat. We can donate that. We can probably drop that off at the Pay It Forward. That's one of our local no-kill shelters. What's in here? Not just regular garbage. Oh no, there's some diapers in there. And some easy ups, Pampers. I think they're both pull-ups. And nothing else in that bag. That's all signage stuff. Here you go. Got diapers. Diapers for days. And them ones are laying loose. We got more charcoal here. Holy moly. Another one. Look at all that. Whoa. What else? Oh boy.
What?
Another charcoal. Charcoal score. Look at all of that. Holy moly. Let's turn this one up a notch. See if I can. 3. There. That's all signage stuff. Looks like one I already looked at before. Anything else buried in here? Oh, something heavy in the bottom of this one. I don't know what it is. Might be that. Partially drunk. Or could be something inside this one. Looks like flyers. Let's see what we do there. Nope. Yeah, that's too light. Really, for anything. That looks like the one I already checked. Flowers got a big hole in it. Yeah, I think that. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. I think that might be it for this place. I believe, yeah, that's all signage. Alright, guys. Well, we will see you at the next dumpster. Alright, guys, favorite food store. We just got all these flowers. I got some more buns to donate. We got us some tomatoes, some carrots, a couple things of tomatoes. Got some zucchini, and got a loaf of bread. We like that 12 grain bread. Come over this side, dude, so you can grab these flowers. Alright, guys, we'll see you at the next dumpster. Alright, guys, we're at another dollar store. Check this out. There's some women's socks, crew socks. We got some socks here. Dump that out. And where did that other stuff go? Down here. We got some Hot Shot, 25% more flying insect killer. Found one shoe. Not sure know if we'll find the other one. These are really, really light, so I don't think there's anything in those. Nope, nothing in there. What's in the bottom of this one? Oh, a bunch of those. Well, I think that might be it. I don't see anything else. And they haven't had it emptied since the last time we were here. This is the new stuff that they threw in there. Just got to put a top on that thing. Alright, guys. We will see you at the next stop. So you was having a little trouble there with the seatbelt there, Sonny. Said, don't like my seatbelt in my door, don't like my seatbelt on the floor. I like my seatbelt across my chest, I like my seatbelt, it's the best. Oh boy. It's getting crazier and crazier every night, right?
Yeah.
Oh jeez, dude. I'm burping like a maniac. Alright guys, we'll see you at the next one. Alright guys, we're at another dollar store. Check this out. Look at all these ding-dongs. They smashed them all. Look. They're all smashed. Smashed every one of them. They took them out of the boxes and instead of cutting them open, they just smashed them. Oh, drive me crazy. Let's see, anything over here? See a toaster box. There's some thing over there. I might have to go in, dude. Look like a mail jug or something. This bag feels kind of heavy. I don't know what it is. Yeah. I don't see nothing in there. Got a toaster in here? Nope. But look at this. Got a full jug of mail.
What happened?
I don't know. Let me see if the seal's on it. Doesn't have the seal. Well, we'll take it and check it out. We'll check it out. This bag feels kind of heavy. Oh, bunch of wood. Somebody dumped a bunch of wood in here. I wonder where that toaster is. That's a bunch of garbage there. Oh. Well, me and Alan ran into that homeless guy again. The one that we ran into before. Pretty nice guy. Yeah. I'll take those for mine too. Got mine some more flowers. Look at that. Some of them not too bad. I'm gonna have to pick through them. And yeah, we'll just have to pick through them. There's a few dead ones in there. Yeah, I told him I would try and save him some cans, bottles when I find them, or I would take some from home and give them to him. He's a pretty nice guy. He said I could even just drop him off in his yard. I guess he's not actually homeless because he does have a house, but he just doesn't have much in the way of money. I don't think he has an income coming in. He's just staying with somebody else. I don't even know if they have power there where he's staying. All right, here's this and these. All right, guys, we'll see you at the next one. All right, guys, check this out. Look at all this soda. Look at this score. This is a nice score, guys. Alan got excited when he seen that. We got some honey nut frosted flakes. All this sucks. All this ice cream is melted. So they must have probably threw it away earlier today. I'm gonna open one just to see. Yeah.
It's open.
I don't know how. I wonder how warm it got. I'm kind of curious. Hold on, guys. Well, it's pretty warm. It's not. If it was still somewhat cold, I'd probably take it. But it's not cold.
Marty?
Yeah.
I'm happy.
You're happy now, huh? Look at all these. We can use these on the grill.
On the grill?
Yeah.
The smoker box?
Yeah, all them pans, man. All right. We got sodas for days. Put them in there. And we got Cokes.
My Coca-Cola.
Orange. Yeah, you know, you're getting excited about it. Root beer. Mountain Dew. These are, yeah, those are thought out too. I wish we would have been here when they first put the stuff in here.
Tonight?
Yeah, I think they, well, we don't know. We don't know for sure, but these are probably all right. These cinnamon rolls.
Hey, Marty.
Yeah.
How do you see it popping here?
Yeah.
What's hoping for?
Well, I was thinking about that the other night. We never scored that much soda pop before.
In here?
Anywhere, really. I mean, we might get like 10 or 12, but we never got this much at one time.
We're still packing.
Oh, yeah.
Big time. Big time.
Some more root beer, more Mountain Dews.
Marty?
Yep.
Big time.
Oh, yeah. Big time. And that's thawed out. There's some more Diet Pepsi. Dr. Pepper.
You heard it before, Marty? That's...
Diet Coke. And some more Dr. Pepper. And more Diet Coke.
I'm dying.
You're dying, huh? Oh boy.
What happened now?
So excited, huh?
Come on, sis.
Well, we didn't find chocolate, but we sure found a lot of soda pop.
In this dumpster.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, dude.
Look at all that.
Who tossed it for, Marty?
I don't know. They've probably just passed the date.
Past the date?
Usually they get rid of them when they're past the date. We're probably going to need another tote because that's probably going to get too heavy. Hand me another one. Thank you. All right. We got some ginger dry, Canada Dry stuff. Holy cow.
Holy crap.
It's all over the place.
The whole...
Oh. Whew. There's another one. Yeah, I wish we could have got here when they first threw this frozen stuff away. Oh, there's juice. Cherry limeade juice. And orange juice.
Dang.
Their coolers must have went out, I'm guessing.
Holy the dang popcorn.
Well, root beer. More lemonade. A couple more of those. But I don't know. I don't think the pop wouldn't have went bad if it got warm. They could just wait until the coolers were fixed. We got that. We can,
Let's see the root beer.
we can donate that one. This. Put that in the back of the truck. And a Venom energy drink. Oh, holy moly. And another cherry limeade.
Still popping or something.
Yeah, we got strawberry lemonade Sunkist, more root beer, and more Sunkist.
They're still popping in there. Why?
Because they got rid of it. Yeah, and most of the stuff I'm standing on is no good, guys. I'm not really worried about if I smash something, because it's no good for anybody to consume. This milk even looks like it's been in here a while. I just wish I would have made it here sooner. Look at that. Another one. Look at all these energy drinks. Venoms.
Dang.
All those Stouffer's. Man, that sucks.
That stuff.
Yeah, and shrimps.
That stuff.
All that stuff. That's an empty bottle. There's another one of those. Another one. More sodies. More soda. Let's see if there's anything buried. Holy moly. Now these waffles, we might be able to, those might be okay. Because I think they have enough preservatives. We might be able to use those. Them ones are smashed. Here's some Eggo ones. Lego my Eggo. What else?
What's else in here?
Trying to make sure that this is done.
It's scored.
Oh yeah.
A big time.
It scored big time, dude. All that soda pop, man. And limeade.
Limeade.
Hold. That's probably no good. Chocolate milk. Too warm out for that. Some more mug root beer. Oh, another Diet Coke.
Oh.
And
lemonade.
Lemonade.
Funk. Funk.
Yeah, I wish I would have been here when they first put the stuff out. We could have got a lot of this food and ice cream.
Yeah.
We could have stored it at the church, our church, and shared it with them. Well, oh wait
a minute.
I guess I gotta keep digging, guys. I thought we had got it all, but here, set this over there somewhere. I gotta dig this stuff out. That's a donation tea.
I see more.
Yeah, there's more back there. Holy moly. Look at all that.
Holy crap.
Jeez.
Oh, come on now.
Soda for days. They're wasting soda pop, dude.
Wasteful.
Holy moly.
What do you like? Wasteful. Don't get pissed.
Oh yeah. I don't think we gotta buy soda for a while. Jeez.
Jeez.
What is in this bag? Something in this bag right here, guys. I heard something. Oh, look at that.
More cereal.
More cereal. And some Lucky Charms. Get me the other tote. We're gonna need it. Whew. And what's this? Oh, another box of cereal. Rice Krispies. And there's a strainer. And another tea to donate.
Here.
Oh, thank you. More root beer, cherry coke, some more limeade, more Mountain Dew, more Mountain Dew. And some more Coke, and some Sprite, Dr. Pepper, more Dr. Pepper, more Diet Coke, and more Diet Coke. Holy moly. Is that it? Oh. Whew. sure there's nothing buried over here. On the one right there. Oh, there's another couple more energy drinks. Nothing back there. Oh boy. Nope, there's still some more down here, guys. Coke. Diet Coke. Dr. Pepper. Grab that box. Hold on a sec, guys. Alright, guys. We're back in action. Just had to move some stuff around. Get those other totes out of the way. I wish I could have got that meat. Alright, we got more soda pops. What was that? Oh, that's something down with one of the ice creams. We can take cinnamon rolls. I think they'll be alright. Oh boy. Yeah, it's exploding. Holy moly. There's nothing buried under here. Now, I think that might be all of them. Can you guys see my pants? Look at that. I'm a filthy mess. This dumpster's a mess. All right, guys. Well, we will see you at the next stop. Look at all that soda pop. All right, guys. We're at the favorite food store. Check these out. I got my wife one of these ones once before, but now we got two more here.
Nice to me.
And it don't look like they've been out of the box. Oh, that's a nice score. We got some onions here. We can use some onions. Box of onions. Oh, and we got some Mandy's. We'll probably keep one and donate the rest of them. We'll probably keep one of these limes and donate the rest. Here's that box. Got it?
Yes.
Those are those all tore open? Yep, they are. I wonder if these, I guess I could save that bag for that guy. I'm gonna have to tie it up though. I told him if I found some, I'd just put them in the back of my truck and save them for him. There's some more Mandy's we can donate. And I got some more flowers for my wife. Might have to put some outside. Yeah, because just to decorate outside a little bit. There's another one of those. Those things are pretty good. Maybe we'll keep two. They're pretty tasty. And put those in with the flowers. Wow, we're just scoring left and right tonight, guys. Whew.
Yep.
Here's another one. All right, guys. We'll see you at the next one.
Yep.
All right, guys. Well, here's our haul back. We got 2 tomatoes, 2 packs of tomatoes. We got the strainer there. We got some women's crew socks. We got 2 jalapenos. We got limes. We got a bunch of onions. We got 2 of these cinnamon rolls. And then we got a bag of carrots here.
Mayonnaise.
And then we got the mayo, which we got to check that out because it doesn't have the seal. Not sure if I trust it. And we got all these flowers for my wife. We got 3 3 jugs of Dawn dish soap, which is a good score. 2 candles in there. And we got the Pamper Easy Ups. And then over here, we got 2 of these. Well, we already got one like that, but we got another one up there. And we got 2 boxes of cereal. And look at all this soda pop. Holy moly. We got all that. And we got 2 more boxes of cereal right here. Plus these cake pans, which I'll probably use them on the grill. And then we got all these flowers too. Got lots and lots of flowers. We'll probably fill up every vase that we have in the house. Alright, well, turn this light on. Yeah, that one's pretty cool. Hope it's all in there. Then we got all this soda here. Soda and energy drinks. Tons and tons and tons. There's probably, it's got to be at least 100 bottles, if not maybe 150. I don't know. It's a lot of soda pop though. And we got another thing of Easy Ups Pampers there. Those are, oh yeah, we're gonna donate those too. We're actually gonna donate those and those other ones because I don't have anybody in my family that needs them. We got the 3 charcoals. Oh, here's that other juice. Take that up there, dude.
Okay.
And I'll get, oh, and I got 2 big boxes of the Pampers behind my seat that I'm gonna donate too. You guys seen it in our latest video that we just posted. Another flower, on a couple more flowers down here. And we got some strawberries here. Looks like only a couple bad ones in there. Yeah, this is pretty cool though. My wife can load up her garden now with, yeah, with all those decorations. So yeah, we did pretty good, I think. Holy moly. And then all the stuff we donated. All right, guys, well, we're gonna say goodnight because it's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. We've been out for a long time. All right, guys, we love you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future adventures, dumpster diving videos. Elmo's getting excited about all the goodies that we found in the dumpster tonight. Oh boy. Good night, good morning,
Whatever.
or whatever he says. We love you guys.
Bye now.
Tell them you love them.
I love you too.
Give them thumbs up. And we will see you next time on our next adventure.
Bye now.
Don't forget to wear your seatbelt, y'all. Said, don't like my seatbelt in my door. Don't like my seatbelt on the floor. I like my seatbelt across my chest. I like my seatbelt. It's the best. Oh, boy. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Stay safe. Be careful if you go out there. Thank you very much again. Have a great, wonderful weekend. Stay blessed.